Welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to properly conduct advanced keyword research. In today's Norman video, I am going to share with you the keyword research technique. I can guarantee that no one on the entire YouTube or Google has taught you keyword research like this. If you search for keywords in this way, your website will rank very quickly and conversions will start coming in very soon. Look, the main thing about keyword research is that you first need to understand that if you are going towards keyword research, first of all, understand that you need to have a product to conduct keyword research. And if you are picking up a product, you should know its pain points. If you understand this, then keyword research will not be a big problem for you, like how to actually conduct keyword research. All right, now here we will understand. We will pick any product and learn in detail how to conduct A to Z keyword research for that product, what needs to be done and is every single thing. We will understand what type of article to write on that topic and what needs to be done. We will do everything properly and create the article in a humanized form to post it on our website. We will pay full attention to this aspect. Now look, the maximum number of students who contact me, they want to do something. They want to sell affiliate products. They want to sell flat products. And they also want the volume of their product to be high. If the product volume is high, obviously more sales will come and more sales will come. So the conversion will be very good, right? Now here we come to keyword research. And for keyword research, first of all, we need a product. Now for the product, what we do is we use ClickBank and we also use OfferVault. Now look, I tend to focus a bit on PPC marketing, so I use OfferVault a lot. Now I said that there's a product, any product named Bianca. Now I will see, look, understand one on a simple thing here. If you are going to promote any product, first put this in your mind. You need to check how much lead volume there is on that product. For the product, whatever, exact name you are using, check how much volume there is on that exact name. To see that volume, look, there are many group SEO tools available. I am using this one and I will provide the link in the description. Anyone who wants to join can do so. All right. We come here. Now, if I want to search for a product, obviously I use SEMrush, right? There are many different tools you can use, okay? Look, if I want to search for a product, the first thing I will check is the product's name. Whenever I pick any product, the main thing I will search for is the product's name to see how much volume it has. Obviously, if we want to sell the product in the US, we will look at the name according to the US market, right? Now, I go to this product and I see how much volume it has, how many searches there are. So for a second, we see here that the volume it is showing is 90.3K, okay? This is showing global volume with the maximum volume coming from Mexico. And here it shows a volume of 720, meaning the volume is very low, right? So I will focus on working on this product. Most students don't want to work on low volume products. So let's do one thing. We go to ClickBank's marketplace, pick a product, go to any top offer and see which products are there. There's a metal ion product, okay? This means it's a very famous product as far as I know, right? We put it in and check how much it is, what it is. We do this in the USA and see what the volume is. Now, when we look here, we see that the volume here is 6.6K, which is considered a comparatively very good volume. The global volume is also good. Our main focus should be on the USA, and the volume in the USA is very good. Now look, when I go to search for keywords on any product, the first thing I focus on is what questions are being asked. What questions are being asked, like where to buy in volume. And these are called very transactional keywords. Does Metalin really work? Is Metalin a scam gadget? Does Metalin work? These questions are being asked in the market. And if traffic goes to these questions in the market, then the chances of your conversion rate being high are very good. Now, let me tell you how conversion happens here. All right. So what we do is, if I personally have to do keyword research, I will search for a product comparable to Metalin that has equal or more traffic volume. Look, my way of doing things is a bit unique. It is unique because I simply believe in grabbing attention. How can you grab the customer's attention? Understand everything. Once any user comes to your keyword, what you need to try is to focus on the negative as much as possible. And people will focus on your article. Like I said, if I have to compare two things, compare A and compare B, I will say, hey, whatever this is, it's useless, absolutely useless. and I will write an article saying B is absolutely useless, people will come to your website to see why B is useless. When they come to your website and see that B is useless, they will think about what could be a good alternative. In that alternative, I will promote one. I hope you understand what I am trying to do. So I will see the comparison of Metolin here. You might see Metolin versus Lipojam. What is Metolin versus Lipojam? Now what I will do here is search in data because I have found a competitive product in Nain. So now I will search here to see how much traffic volume Lipojam has. Here we can see that Lipojam has a traffic volume of 12.1K. Alright, now I will focus on negative keywords such as Lipojam as a scam. Lipojam does. Does Lipojam really work? Does Lipojam work for weight loss? I will focus on these topics and my article will revolve around which keywords to focus on. Let me create a notepad because I will note down the keywords I will work on. Alright. Now what I will do here is pick up the keyboard and put it in myself. One thing is the keyboard for this LipoG scam that I did, I have put it in. The second keyboard for this LipoG, this Thai scam, I will copy and put it in, okay? These two are done. Now I will go back in this, okay? In the back, I will look at a few negative keywords that people will come to my website to read. Now this question is being asked a lot. Is lipozyme safe or not? I will include this. Questions in your ideal are very important. Okay? Does lipozyme really work? Okay, I will have one on this. After that, the last one will be on does lipozyme work for weight loss or not? Okay, it will be on this. But if you think that my main month heading will be on this, then no. Now what I will do here is search for this, and I will see what the first thing is. Our title will be somewhere related to lipozyme, as it has the highest volume, and the second highest volume is on lipozyme reviews. So I will focus mainly on which headlines to concentrate on. My main focus will be on this headline, because later I am going to offer Metrolin as an alternative. Now, through the ingredients, how can we play a little in the article? We can include many things to show why it is negative. Look, it's a simple thing. I am just explaining it from that perspective. I am not someone who labels anything as negative or positive. This is a way of writing an article because today's audience tends to search for negative things more. And when they search for negative things more, what happens is they get attracted to the negative aspect and want to read related articles. Next, I will focus on this. All right, now here we will focus on the scam and such things. So our main title, the H1 title, should involve this. It should involve this. All right, and from these two, we need to create our main title. Now here, we can utilize ChatGPT. I will also explain in detail how to use it effectively. Open it up, and from here on out, we will take this particular item and put it into place. All right then. Copy this over carefully and put it right in there. We shall take the other one as well and place that accordingly. Where did everything go? Take this specific piece and put that into position 2. Give me a headline. Losing the desire to sit comfortably now. From this point forward, we will have our headline successfully created. All right, it has indeed given us this result. Just one moment, we will copy it carefully, put it back here in its place, and I think it will definitely need us to do that to ensure everything is in order. Now here, you might be seeing that we have got different types here. All right, we are getting different types of headlines here. So you can use these headlines and create a proper article. So this is how I use my main headline. After this, by using these headlines, you can visit many websites like Bypass GPT. All right, you can go over it and write a complete article where you can copy and paste the article written on the previous GPT. Here, as I picked up the subheading, I copied it and pasted it here. All right, do it. Here in the game, follow the polarity, which means aligning with the positive or negative aspects. Okay, now assume we have an article related to this game, and you will go here and change it into a humanized article. This involves making the content more relatable and engaging for readers, ensuring it resonates with human emotions and experiences. Okay, you will humanize it. Okay, now my word limit has been reached. You can go to this website and use it for free in incognito mode. Here you can create it as a humanized article and use that article on your website. Now you have created a proper article, but how to use that article so that traffic starts coming to it, and through that article, our sales start. You understand? Actually, this is what happened. Now here it will be free. Okay. I think I have added a word limit or something. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. There might be some issue here, but it usually happens for free completely. So when you create it, it will also be free for you. And repeatedly you will. You might have to use an email ID because my word limit has been reached. Okay. So what you did once, you created a complete article. How you need to use this article. I am explaining how you will do the rest of the things. You will go to the dashboard here. Another website comes up, answer the public. You will enter this into the website here. Now the keyword that was for comparison, we will take that keyword. Which topic was it? It was this topic. Mytolian Universal Lipogel. We will copy this and enter this keyword into answer the public. Now here, we will see what questions people are asking in the market related to this. What questions are being asked in the market here. So it will take a little time. 1 second. Here we can see that related to Mytolian, there are many questions. Like who sells Mytolian, how Mytolian, Mytolian how to use. So it's fine. You will pick up these keywords and see what questions are being asked on the forum. You will see here that we have a lot of questions like who sells Mytolian, and in answer the public, not many questions related to this are coming up. So if you use a normal SEMrush, it will be best. Now, we need to see where to buy Mytolian. First, you will search Google USA. By searching Google USA, you will get this. When you search on Google USA for Mytolian, where to buy, okay, we will search this. After searching, we will see here different Walmart, etc. But we need to see in what questions are being asked on the forum. So we will put the forum here, and you will see in which forums are asking these questions. Okay, here it shows up as review consumer report in forum. So we can put our things here. From here, we will start getting traffic because people in the USA focus a lot on forums and they read a lot of things there and pick up things from there. So you can create your ID here and comfortably post all your things. And you can do things through the forum. Besides this, what else do you need to do? Besides this, on platforms like Mytolium, there are many video creators, such as those who create videos on AI or different topics from which you can make a clickbank video, a proper video. You should upload that video on YouTube for the backlink purpose of your website. If you upload a related video on YouTube, it will create a backlink and you will also get an audience, increasing the chances of conversion. Additionally, what else can you do? You can write answers on Quora. Let me explain in detail what we need to do after creating the article. It is very important to do certain things if you really want to generate sales. I'm telling you clearly, if you want to generate sales, then you need high quality backlinks. You need to place your content in places where you can generate unique traffic related to Mytolium. So what do you need to do for that? It's a simple thing. You need to choose such platforms. If I were at a beginner level, I would write answers on Quora, search different forums, and post my product there. Besides that, I would definitely create a LinkedIn page and post there. I would post my Mytolium reviews and the same article you need to post everywhere. In addition to this, I would definitely create a YouTube video. Besides that, I would create at least 10 to 20 backlinks and ensure that all these backlinks are indexed. If we are doing this work properly, I am telling you that you will be able to increase your sales and conversions will start coming in. This is going to get a good conversion out of it. If you are achieving a good weight, then look at ClickBank. As far as my experience goes, if a beginner does this properly and follows the keyword research method I have explained to you and does it properly, besides weight loss, which is a generic group name, join as many forums and groups related to weight loss as you can. You need to post your articles there. And first of all, don't spam, Don't do spam. Simply go there and start posting your content. After posting there, gradually build your quality. Once you have established your quality, submit your articles or products to those people, and then you are going to get a good result out of it. If you are doing this much work, you can easily make at least 5 to 10 sales monthly. I'm not exaggerating. You can easily achieve 5 to 10 sales with the help of keyword search for SEO. After that, if you are making even that many sales, you can easily earn $1,000 monthly. If you have watched the video up to this point, we work on black hat SEO and different things at an advanced level. If you want to join that, you can contact us to give you proper knowledge. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and lastly, you can share it. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.